Welcome to Tejada Tech Training Center's Tips for Microsoft Word Mac 2011. The topics covered today will be setting custom margins, using Format Painter to format text, inserting pictures from files, creating tables in a document, and finally formatting with word art. Let's get going. The first tip we're going to cover is setting custom margins. I have a document here where if you scroll down, it goes on to a second page, and I want it to be on one page. The margins are the spaces between the text and the top of the paper, the left, the right, and the bottom of the paper. Each margin can be adjusted independently of the other margins. So let's get started. Go to the Layout tab, go over to the margin, and click the arrow and go down to Custom Margins. Now the first margin to set is the top, and I'm going to set that by using the little arrows, and I'm going to set it to 1/2 an inch. Then I'm going to tab, and I'm going to go ahead and just type in 0.5 and tab. And now the side margins I want at 3/8 of an inch. So I'm going to go 375.375, click OK, and there I have smaller margins set in a custom manner, and the whole page fits, all the text fits on one page. Now I'm going to cover Format Painter. Format Painter, if you do not have the icon here, go to View, Toolbars, and make sure Standard is clicked. When you have the Format Painter there, then you can go ahead and format a part of the document. So I'm going to take the first paragraph, and I'm going to insert a first line indent, and I'm going to change the alignment of the paragraph to left. And rather than do those steps over and over again, what you do is you click on Format Painter when you have your cursor within the paragraph that you've already done, and then you hit the next paragraph you want formatted. And there you go. Your formatting is copied. But I can't do it again. So how you do that is by double-clicking the Format Painter. And this is a quick way to format your entire document with only doing one paragraph at a time. So double-click, go down to the next paragraph, and click on it, click on it, click on it, all the way down to the end of the document. Now to exit Format Painter, you click Escape. Now I'm going to do the subheadings. I'm going to highlight the first subheading, I'm going to bold it, and I'm going to format the fonts into a small cap. Now I'm going to double-click Format Painter. I'm going to scroll down and find the other subtopics, and I'm going to click in the margin outside the line and copy the formatting. Hit Escape, and there you have using Format Painter. The next topic is inserting pictures into a document. I have a document here that I want to add a photo right at the beginning of the first paragraph. So what you do is you go to the Home tab, and over on the right there's an Insert group, and you hit Picture and the little drop down arrow, and you hit Picture from File. And then you navigate to where your folder is, and mine is on my desktop, and I have the folders there, and I'm going to add a picture of some flowers. I'm going to go ahead and wrap the text around the picture to make it look better. That is how you insert a photo into a document. The next topic is how to insert a table into a document. I have the document dolled up from before with the pictures and changed it up nice. Now I want to add a table here under Membership Rates. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Tables tab and go to New, and I'm going to add a 2-column table with 5 rows. And that is how you insert a table. And I'm going to quickly populate the table so you can see how it looks. And there you have it, inserting a table into a document. Finally, our last topic is using word art to create an interesting title on a flyer. Here I have a document where the title, it looks just like the rest of the text. And in order to grab people's attention, you want to add a great topic or title to the document. So I'm going to start by giving myself a little room here, adding 2 or 3 lines, and then I'm going to highlight the title. I'm going to go to Insert, Word Art, and now the word art is populated with the words from the title. I'm going to go to Format, over to Wrap Text, Square, and align it in the center. And then I'm going to highlight my words, and I'm going to add a quick style that matches my flyer. I want to add some effects, so I want a glow effect, and I'd like my words to be in a wave. But there's lots of different effects that you can use, so play with it and have fun. Okay, now my flyer has a nice title. I'm going to add another line there to hopefully grab people's attention and get them to look at my flyer. And that's how you use word art. Thank you for watching Tejada Tech Training Center's Tips for Microsoft Word Mac 2011. I hope you learned something new to apply to your documents to make them look more professional and eye-catching. Thank you.